Hi there, my name's Sadia and welcome to Recipes for Littlies. Today I'll be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious dal that's ready in less than 25 minutes. So let me show you how to make it. Along with the red lentils, these are the ingredients that you'll need, and it's always listed in the description box below. To get started, you need to wash your red lentils. I like to get my Littlie involved in this step. And then pop it onto a stove on a high heat and add some water. Then a little bit of turmeric, you don't want to add too much. Some salt. A bay leaf if you've got one, and if you don't, you can just leave this out and then give it a mix. And you just need to bring this up to a boil. Once the lentils are boiling, you can just give it a mix and then just let it simmer. After 20 minutes, your lentils should be cooked. The texture will look a little like this. I'm going to let these lentils simmer gently while we move on to the barista. So to do this, you add some ghee into a small pot. Pop in the garlic first, this is how my mum always does it, and then some really finely sliced onions. This will help it brown quicker. I'm just reducing the heat down to a medium-low, just so the onions don't burn. While we're waiting for the onions to brown, I'm just going to add in some roughly chopped up tomatoes. This will just add a lovely freshness to your dal. You do want to keep a close eye on your barista, so just give the onions a mix from time to time. And once it turns this nice dark brown, it's ready to add to the lentils. And then just give it a mix. The final ingredient is some fresh coriander. I know coriander isn't for everybody, so you can also add in some fresh green onions or shallots. You can see the texture of this dal is nice and thick and the lentils have completely cooked down. I do like having my dal a little bit thinner, so I'm going to add in a little bit of extra water and bring it up to a boil. All there is left to do is to taste the dal, and feel free to adjust the salt if it needs it, and it's ready to enjoy. We love having dal with a wedge of fresh lemon. Now it's time for my top tips. Number 1, don't add too much turmeric as you want the lentil flavour to shine. Number 2, you want to caramelize the garlic and onions until they turn a deep dark brown, but watch it closely as you don't want it to burn. And number 3, adjust the thickness of the dal to suit you. More water if you want it thinner, and simmer it for a bit longer if you want it thicker. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you'll give this recipe a go. If you'd like to see more simple Bangladeshi recipes, let me know by liking this video or leaving a comment below. Until next time, keep cooking!